go, guys. The beautiful Glen Sannox. Lovely jubbly. We'll have a walk up there, eh? You coming? Come on then, we've got a wee burn running down the side of us here. Lovely. Have a drink of water and splash my face a bit just to freshen up, even though it's cold. Lovely to have a freshen up in the crystal clear waters of the snow melt coming off the mountains. Lovely. Right, Skye, we've got a bit of a problem here. We're going up the trail. We've got a deer fence here and there's sheep everywhere. Right, see how Skye does with this. Come here, Skye, nicely. You leave them girls alone. Got sheep everywhere. Come on. You be a good girl. You be a good girl. You leave them alone. Leave them alone, Skye. Leave them alone. Oh, I'm telling you, it's all right. It's not going to bother you. It's not going to bother you. Are those all in lamb? They look a bit plump. Right, let's crack on. Up the glen. Lovely. Hello, mate. You having a good day? Eh? You're not sure about Skye? She won't hurt you. Right. Working our way up into the magical glen. I think even Skye is taking her breath away. Oh, this is magnificent. We're just coming into the glen now. About another half a mile to get into the glen. Got a wee abandoned burn here. Wee abandoned homestead, I should say. Crofter's cottage or something. Wow. We've got a beautiful, I think it's the Sannox River. Wee burn. With lovely little flowing waterfalls there. And gushing down the mountain. Wow. Oh, this is a pretty special place. Pretty special, folks. Absolutely stunning. I take my hat off to the Isle of Arran. Well done, guys. What a beautiful island you have here. Perfect. Only little, I don't know if there's an animal building or what. The walls look too thick for it to be an animal pen. Probably some remains of a croft of some kind. Here, perched high up. Beautiful. Well, it gets more and more stunning the further we go in. Wow. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There's a saddle up there leading to a goat fell, which is behind that other mountain. Stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, call blimey, mother. This is beautiful. There's another river here. Another river coming off the mountain. There's about 4 confluting here. This is running down and dropping off the edge here, I think. Go and have a look, Skye. See what this is all about, eh? Come on, Skye. Good girl. Oh, look at that beautiful clear mountain water. Wow. I need a drink. Bit of a sandy beach here. Wow, look at this down here. Oh, Skye. Wow, look at that. Oh, blimey. Oh, blimey, Charlie. Let's get a bit higher so I can have a look. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, blimey. That is beautiful. Look at that tumbling off the rocks. Oh, cascading down there. Oh, that is epic. That is bloody lovely. We've got another river there. two rivers, all coming from different directions. Try and get a better view for you. If you can hear me with the rushing waters. We're on a little island now, we're surrounded by wee burns all around us. Up there from the mountain, all this is the melted snow from last night. Gushing down the mountain now. Wow, look at this. Gushing through there. But look at this here. I'll show you this in a bit. Let's get down here. Oh, can you hear me? Oh, look at that. Oh, blimey. And look at this. Get your eyes on this one. Wow. That is beautiful. Oh, I can feel the wind brushing through my hair off the force of this coming down. Look at this. Absolutely magical. Wow. I love it. Is that not fantastic? Beautiful, beautiful island of Arran. I keep saying, guys, you got to get out and experience things like this. If you didn't walk that 40 minutes where I've just come from, you'd never see things like this. Get outdoors, go for a long walk, get yourself prepared, wrapped up, bit of water, some biscuits, come and see places like this. There's no mention about this waterfall down there or on any Google or search engines. You've got to find these, guys. That is epic. Wow. A wee bit chilly, that wind's a bit chilly. It's a lovely jubbly. Oh, I say it's cold. Oh, that wind's bitterly cold. Oh. Oh, blimey, that wind is bitter. The sun's out, but that wind is bitter. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that'll do. Just a bit of a freshen up. A bit of a freshen up. Keep forgetting my mic's down there. Lovely jubbly. Oh, you can't beat it. don't know if the mic's still working. I dropped my bracelet in the river then, in a wee burn. I was lucky I saw that. But that wind is bitter, guys. Just come up, have a wee chat. Oh, sit on the heather here and let the breezes off the glen dry my hair. Oh, it's bitter. Icy wind in your face, especially after being in there. I sort the man out for them boys doing that, especially jumping in naked as a jabbird, as I like to do. Wow, what an experience. Sannox Glen, wow. Goat fell up there. I will be getting to the top of Goat Fell later on before I leave the island. But what a glorious day, eh? Beautiful, absolutely bloody lovely. Oh, I love Scotland. I love my van life. A little bit of sun and you can get out and enjoy it. It's just great to get out the van. It really is great to get out the van and look at these magnificent Viking warriors all around me. I need to get back to my my chariot, my Viking chariot. Christine, my Viking ship. I'll have a nice cup of tea. Been out now for a couple of hours. Oh, that wind. Oh, it's glorious, even though it's freezing cold, it's glorious. It certainly makes you feel good to be alive. Wow. The sun's glistening on the rocks now on the mountains, all the snow starts to melt. That's what all this water is, snow melt coming off the mountain tops there. Had quite a bit of snow the last couple of days. But most of it's gone today with this sun. Lovely, right, let's crack on. Crack on with the journey. Stick my mic in there, lovely job, Lee. Right, Skye. Let's have a wee drink before I go. Just to hydrate myself. Oh, that is delicious. Oh, that's beautiful. Until you've tasted water at the Glens, you really don't know what real water tastes like. Nothing like that comes out the taps. Right, let's get myself sorted. Let's make our way down off the Glen. We're going to have some dinner. Right, you ready, Skye? Right, you ready, baby? You've been a good girl, ain't you? Right? My daddy's been messing around. Yeah, soaking wet now, still, never mind. Oh, get on with the gear back on. We've had a... Excuse me, just moving the mic. We've had a nice drone flight as well. Hope that turns out well with that waterfall. Pick my camera up. Right, we've got another lovely feature here. Another cascading waters. Oh, what a beautiful place. Oh, I keep saying that, don't I? But it is, it's glorious, guys. Absolutely glorious, look at this. How lovely is that? rolling down the hillside. Wow. What do you think, Skye? Got a lovely little footbridge here, it's a bit muddy. Just going to have a quick look on this before we head back. We've been out now a few hours. I'm starting to gag for a cup of tea. A wee little footbridge here going over the that beautiful river. That's where we was further up the river there to the first waterfall. This is on the footbridge now. Wow, look at that. That is magnificent. Rolling down the Glen. Just started raining. So lovely. Right, dinner tonight. I've got some nice local Arran belly pork. I've marinated it in cracked salt and cracked pepper, and also some lovely local honey as well. It's been glazed in honey, and we've got lots of butter in there. Looks a lot of butter in there, but all that will refine out. And we're going to air fry some nice belly pork. Hopefully get it nice and crispy. We've got kettle's on mother, kettle rocking and rolling for a cup of a Yorkshire. Right, and we're going to have belly pork. Skye can have some as well. Right, here we go. Get this inside the air fryer. Slam that in there. Lovely jubbly. We'll do it. I'll do it a bit lower, about 160, 170 to start with, and we'll try it for 8 minutes or so. Lovely jubbly. Right, let's have a look. They've been on for about 4 minutes. Just check it. Don't know. Getting used to the air fryer, so that looks alright, doesn't it? So I'm just going to turn these over, folks. Right, here we go. It's smelling absolutely delicious. Pop that back in. Bish bash bosh. We'll put it on for another 5 minutes. Oh, it's piddling down again. Typical Scottish weather. I gotta love it. I love winter life. Right, we've just had a ping. Let's have a look. Pop it out. Oh, pop it up on there. Oh, that looks nice. Bit of light on there. Oh, look at that. That looks bloody divine. Right, while my meat is just relaxing, I've just got some very small new potatoes here. I'm going to leave the skins on. Just cut them up into fries. Nice and simple. Nice and thin, so I'll only take 5 minutes in the air fryer. Right, that's 3 minutes for the chips. What you want to do with chips, folks, in the air fryer is give them a shake up. Halfway through cooking, just give them a little bit of a shake up. Let's have a look at my dinner, put it all out. Oh, it's really messy out there again tonight. It's been lovely this morning, it was really lovely and sunny. Right, here we go. Oh, nicely done. Oh, look at that. Lovely jubbly. Look at this pork. Oh, that's hot. Oh, nice and crispy. Oh, fat's rendered nicely. Got some nice crunchy. These are all from raw potatoes, don't forget, guys. Nice crispy, fluffy chips. Look at that. Beautiful. There we go. Watch guys, how we all doing? I'm back at the Viking ship, back at Christine, my Viking galleon. Oh, that was lovely. I've been out, where is it? It's coming up to 3 o'clock now in the afternoon. I think we went out about 10:30. No, it might have been earlier than that. So we've been out a few hours. My back's killing me again. Every time I go on these long walks, it always does me back in. I know it's going to happen every time, but hey, that's life, eh? We're not getting any bloody younger. But, oh, that was a magnificent walk up that Glen. Absolutely stunning. You really got to come here, guys. I mean, it's only cheap to get over on the ferry. Even if it's for a few days, it's wonderful. Come to the special places that I've been to. Glen Sannox is my Valhalla of the Isle of Arran, for sure. I ain't going to beat this one. Lovely. Right, I may come back here because I love this camp. This camp is a perfect camp for me. Absolutely perfect. It ticks every single box, this camp, for me. The way I camp anyway. Nice to have a barbecue out there. I'll come back here and do a live Sunday show. I think I did one last Sunday, but the weather was awful. Plus the iPhone was playing up. But we'll do a proper live show for me next Sunday. That's if you've seen it before this or after. Not sure when the videos have come out. They're usually out within a day of filming. But anyway, the lovely Glen Sannox. Lovely. The village of Sannox. Stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely love it. Right, going to finish my tea. Charged all my batteries as well. My solar panel's been out all day. It's charged my 3 power stations up from All Powers. So I've got 3k of kilowatt hours now stored in the van. That's took about 4 hours to charge all those up. So that 4k kilowatt hours in the van now will keep this van in electrics, full AC electrics, full 240, 220 electrics for the next 3 days. That's what a bit of sun does. But I can get power in the clouds as well with this massive solar panel. I'm rambling on now, as usual. Right, so that's it from Sannox. Thanks very much. We've had some lovely treats coming in again, some super treats from the live show as well. So many people. I will do a shout out to everyone. I do a shout out about once every 2 weeks of all the ones that have sent us a treat for me and Skye on the super chats, to buy me coffees, the PayPal donations. Lovely, absolutely amazing. You guys are wonderful, really, from the bottom of my heart. You really do make things special. You make our winter van life so special with your lovely, lovely treats you send us. I'm really chuffed that people appreciate what I'm doing, because I am a full-time YouTuber. It is my full-time job. I do earn a living from YouTube. Not a lot at the moment, with just 5k subscribers. 5k? Wow. Bloody hell, 5k, 3 years, nearly 1,000 years. It's been hard work to get here. Let's hope the next 5k is not as harder work to get there. So I love latest rock on to 10k, on to 100k. Then exciting things will start to happen on the channel. Once we've got pennies rolling in. I've got so many plans for me, Christine and Skye. Just watch this space once the channel grows. Right, so I'll leave it there. So thanks for all that, and everybody who watches the channel, everybody that shares the channel, all your comments are amazing. They warm my heart, they do. I am so blessed, I really am so blessed, and so humbled to have such a lovely following. We have got such a lovely community on Country Van Life. The Country Van Life UK team, Team Country, amazing, you're all amazing. And I appreciate every single one of you. Not only the people that make treats and whatever, but everyone that watches and comments and spends a moment in their day to watch me, Christine and Skye doing our thing. Right, so there you go. Give us a like, give us a share, and subscribe. Tell all your friends. Tell your mum, your nan, your kids, your neighbours, everybody. Drag them into the channel. Get them to subscribe. If you've got 15 kids, go and get them all to subscribe. Let's get this bloody channel rocking. Let's rock the next 5,000. In half the time we've done the last 5,000. It's took me 3 bloody years to get 5,000. But we'll keep rocking. We'll keep doing what we do, and we'll keep doing it together. You and me, Christine and Skye. And I need to pop over and get my parcels as soon as they arrive. They should arrive soon. So lovely. Looking forward to that and getting this microphone sorted, especially for the live shows. And lovely. So we'll have another couple of videos in the week, and I will see you on the Sunday lives every Sunday from now on, 4 o'clock every Sunday. Sunday live with Country Van Life on location. We do shout outs for your channel, so anybody that comes in, we'll give you a shout out. We'll have a nice chat, we'll have a walkabout, and we'll do all the things that I do. Probably have a barbecue or whatever, go for a swim. Join us on the live shows. We love the live shows. I love it. I love the interaction and getting close and personal with you guys on the live shows. I love them. Till then, you be good, you stay safe, you be happy, you travel safe, guys. Get out here. As I said, get out, even if it's a weekend or a day or overnight in the back of your car, whatever it takes, just get out here for the night. Or anywhere you are. There's my battery. Battery low light, come on then. Bloody battery's going on this phone as well. It's not doing what it used to do. So another phone will be a major change in the channel. So get out there, guys. Till next time. from country here at lovely Sannox. The Sannox village, Sannox Glen, Sannox Bay. Stunning. Absolutely breathtaking area. Till next time. Stay cozy. Ta-ra.